Natural disasters like earthquakes are never expected. They surprise us all, and that's why it's crucial you know your plan for your safety. When earthquakes happen, there are 3 steps you need to know to be prepared. Drop, cover, and hold on. So, let's imagine you feel an earthquake. What do? First, drop. Wherever you are when the earthquake begins, drop down to your hands and knees. Second, cover. Cover your head and neck with your arms to protect against any falling objects or debris. If a sturdy desk or table is nearby, you can crawl under it for shelter. If no shelter is nearby, crawl next to an interior wall, but stay away from windows. If you're outside, stay outside, and move away from buildings and overhanging objects like streetlights and electrical lines. And step 3, hold on. If under a table or covering, hold on with one hand while still using the other to protect your head and neck, and be prepared to move if the object shifts around. And that's it. Those are the 3 steps you need to be ready to do in an instant. Drop, cover, and hold on. These steps can significantly lower your chance of injury, so make sure to practice these beforehand so you're ready in the event of an earthquake. To learn more, visit shakeout.org to prepare your home with even more tips in the event of an emergency. Practice often and stay safe.